Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing well at home. Dear students, today we will learn about the topic birds. First of all, we will discuss what birds are. Birds are small animals with feathers, wings, beaks and tails. Birds can fly high using their wings. They live on a tree or in a nest. And they eat fruits, insects, seeds and grass. Birds have 2 legs and 2 wings. And they use their wings to protect themselves from bad weather. Now, let us see few of the birds. Dear students, do you know which bird is this? Yes, this is a crow. Crow is black in color. Crow is known as the cleverest bird. Can you guess which bird is this? Correct, this is a peacock. Peacock has huge colorful feathers like fan. Peacock has a long neck. Peacock loves to dance in the rain. So, whenever it rains, peacock starts dancing. Peacock is the national bird of India. Sparrow. Sparrow is small in size. It's very active in nature. Sparrow loves to eat seeds with its tiny beak. It makes the sound of chirping. Parrot. Parrot is a pet animal. Parrot is of green color and one of the beautiful birds in the world. Pigeon. Pigeon has small feet and a beak. Pigeon loves to eat seeds. Ostrich. Ostrich is the tallest and the heaviest bird on earth. Ostrich cannot fly with their heavy wings, but they can run very fast because they have long legs. Now, we will see some interesting facts about birds. Sparrow. Sparrow is also called a singing bird. Ostrich. Ostrich never needs to drink water because they produce it internally, or they can also get the water from that they eat. Parrot. Parrot can imitate the human sound. So, dear students, this was all about birds. I hope you understood. Thank you.